Good morning, good morning, good morning. Can you guys see me? What's up, everybody? What's going on? My name is Great BTC, and if you're just joining us, welcome to the live stream. And I know that I'm hiding, so let me bring myself out. What's up, guys? I'm here. What's up? What's up? What's up? Destroy the like button. The live stream is back after a couple of days of not showing up on the internet here. And I'm back for you guys with a lot of exciting news, as well a lot of money making stuff. Because the only reason that I haven't been out and about on the live stream was because I was busy with so much research. The market, the crypto game has changed. And right now, if you're not doing research, you're basically going to wreck yourself. So opportunities are still there, but you have to go out there and find them. And that's what I've been doing. And in this live stream, guys, I will be sharing with you a lot of the nuggets that I've been able to find in the crypto market. So if you're watching me on Instagram, you might actually consider coming over to YouTube because that's where the magic is happening. You can see my screen and everything, and it's just fantastic. It's just so much fun. All right. Uh, I see the questions on Instagram. We're gonna get to that very soon. I also saw all the comments on YouTube. Everybody commenting on my beats. Yeah, those are my beats. If you guys want them, you can actually pay me in crypto and I can give them to you. So the rules of the live stream are the same. You join the live stream, you destroy the like button because this live stream is very important, brings a lot of juicy stuff. I'm going to reveal my last trade on Bitcoin before the shit hits the fan because it's about to happen, guys. The macroeconomic environment has completely changed. The game has changed significantly. All right. So, guys, if you're just watching my YouTube channel for the first time, my name is Great BTC. I'm a cryptocurrency trader. I do this for a living. I've been trading for a long, long time. I'm sponsored by some of the best cryptocurrencies in the whole world. Our sponsors today are OKX, but also our sponsors today is Bybit. And both of these platforms are giving you guys bonus, especially if you're a beginner, you don't have an account to trade your crypto. You can sign up with Bybit and make a deposit of minimum $10. That will give you $100 free for you to trade with. If you don't have an OKX account, you can sign up on OKX and you get a mystery box and 45% back of your trading fees that you spend on the platform as long as you use my links. So it is incredible, an incredible time. And I know Bitcoin is going down and there's so many people who say, oh, it's going to 13K, 16K. Let's actually look at the facts of what's been happening, guys. At this point, if you're just looking at which coin to buy, well, then you're actually on the wrong side of things. Right now, you have to ask yourself, what is going on at the macroeconomic point of view, and how is that going to affect the crypto market? And that's exactly what we're going to look into on this live stream, guys. By the way, I also have some new sound effects like this. You guys let me know what you think. Can you hear it? Oh, okay, the volume for that one is down. Sound effects. Let me boost it up a little bit. Sound effect. Not this one, not this one. There we go. I was talking about this. For every new coin that pumps, that's what we're going to be using right now. So look, even though the market has been in the downtrend, I personally have, because I was doing research, I managed to find some coins that I made 2x, even in the crypto downturn like this within 1 week. Right, I will show you some of those altcoins and exactly how I'm finding them, and some of them I've been sharing in the source as well, which we're going to talk about a little bit. So right now, guys, this is exactly what's going on. First of all, we have to understand what's going on in the world of the macroeconomics. There is an oil or an energy crisis going on in the world, and the OPEC has cut down some energy levels. And the US is now at a tight spot. And the US and the US dollar is pretty much the controller of the world economy. The economy basically roams around the United States. The dollar has been gaining strength. We have been analyzing it here on this channel, but now there's a new boss in charge. Let's talk business. Check this out. So this is the OPEC discussing the energy crisis, and this is the Minister of Energy of Saudi Arabia, because the world is asking, are you using oil as a tool to support Russia on this war that's going on at the moment? And this, ladies and gentlemen, is what this guy had to say. So let's watch it.
Your Royal Highness, I want to kick off by asking you specifically a question that I asked to Vladimir Putin a year ago. Are you using energy as a weapon? It was a question that he denied, but there are people in Washington and in the White House who right now are looking at the cuts that OPEC Plus is making, and they are saying that this is an aggressive move by OPEC. And they're very, very curious to understand why this organization that they call a cartel is moving against the United States and Europe. And Mr. Secretary General, to follow on to that, when I spoke to you just a couple of months ago, you said you had an open door policy to European policymakers. Have they entered that door? Are you having those conversations with them? Because I have to tell you, there is a huge narrative coming from the West right now that OPEC, as you say, a band of brothers, but as they would say, a cartel, is attempting to hold the world hostage, just as Vladimir Putin has done when it comes to energy prices. Thank you, gentlemen.
Question, which I take pleasure of answering Hadi with a quick, not a big answer. Show me where is the act of belligerence, period.
Wow, what an answer. What an answer.
Your Royal Highness.
Very short.
And back to your question, yes, I did say we have an open door. We have an open door. I'm waiting for someone to knock on that door. That's all I can say.
And you're still not getting anyone knocking on that door? Because a lot of folks would say that by this action, by these cuts, you are endangering global energy markets, you are endangering the global economy. What's the response there, sirs?
If you permit me, Royal Highness, we are not endangering the energy markets. We are providing security, stability to the energy markets.
At a price.
I mean,
everything has a price.
I mean, guys,
security has a price as well.
I spent hours and hours in the middle of the night reading more about energy and how it works. And the first thing that you learn in the energy markets is that prices actually are not controlled by demand and supply, basically, when it comes to energy. It's nothing to do with demand and supply. It's more of a cartel that controls the oil market. So you might be asking also that, why does this energy talk has to do with cryptocurrency at all? Well, it's because this is going to affect the American economy. The energy prices in America and in Europe are going to rise. And then if they rise, prices of everything increases, the economy gets a squeeze, and then the governments and the central banks have to come in and try to save the economy. And what is the only way that they have known to do this is that they just go on and print money, right? But if they do that at this point in time, when they have been trying to recover from all the debt that was accumulated during the COVID crisis, this is going to be extremely terrible for the economy even further, which leaves us in a very tricky situation. And you might ask now, where is Bitcoin going to go at this point? Well, that's exactly what we're going to find out in this live stream. So I looked at some other elements. Jamie Dimon says that this season might last about 6 to 8 months, because in the interim, from November, the OPEC is going to cut down the production of oil by 2 million barrels per day, which realistically is going to be about 1.6 million barrels a day cut down. And this is a serious problem. Now, let's look at, and I know this is a different live stream from what I typically make, but if I'm trying to make money, I have to look into really what matters. So we're going to look at crude oil, guys, okay? I'll switch this to a monthly chart. I just want to give you guys a reminder so that you understand how volatile are the times that we're living in. Do you remember, where's that moment again? In 2020. Yeah, here we go. Do you remember this? This is one candlestick. When oil in 2020, it went under negative prices. We were discussing it right on this live stream before that. Hey guys, the markets have gone crazy. Look at this one candle with a with a negative prices here. It ended up at minus $40.25 all the way down. That was an extreme drawdown. And now you go back, it's back at $89. So do not think that crypto is the only way to make money. Really, when it comes to trading, you can trade anything. I always tell you guys about this. And now we have recovered, and now crude oil keeps on pumping its prices. And with the current news now, it's about to rise. So looking at the situation like this, you can look at the correlation of this. I can bring in a USD chart here and try to figure out what really happens when oil prices are rising and when the oil prices are falling. So let's compare this to like a BTC USD. All right, I'm also going to switch this to a monthly. And this was the month of April 2020. Now let's look at crypto around the same time. Did it have the same volatile movement or it was uncorrelated? Okay, April 2020. July, June. Okay, so April is here. So for crypto, that was kind of like it went in a rising wage during that moment when the gas prices were falling. And then there we had seen correlation as the prices of oil were going up. Crypto also around the same time was actually pumping in its nature. But right now, we're now starting to see a little bit of a discoloration or actually noise because there is not really a lot of inference in this. So oil is not really going to tell us much about what will happen with crypto. What will tell us what will happen to crypto is more likely what I always get back to is the USDX indicator. But let's wait before we even get there. Now, this is a natural gas chart. Maybe not that important right now, but we can go at the British pound. The game, guys, I'm just trying to find a pattern in what's going on around the world, how one thing is affecting the other, and then we find a bigger picture on how this is going to affect the crypto markets, right? So please destroy the like button. If everybody of you guys watching this live stream destroy the like button, it's going to help me big time. So let's do it. This is free information. Appreciate it. So this is the British pound, has been in a deceleration format all the way down during the past moments. Right now it's standing at 1.116 and the British economy is not looking good. In the UK, there is now potential for load shedding. Anybody in South Africa knows what load shedding is. It means spending a couple of hours a day without electricity because the power generation is weak. That is now coming to the UK. Unbelievable, I know, but that is coming. And you know when that happens, the economy drills down. Okay. Now we can go back to the petrodollar, the USD, in the USDX chart, which has also been doing extremely well. All right. Has been doing extremely well as compared to everything else in the market, outperforming crypto, outperforming all the other currencies, outperforming the GBP, outperforming the euro. But now you can also see that the US dollar is getting affected a little bit. Why? It's because due to the recent deals with OPEC, now the Saudi Arabia has now been buying oil from Russia and paying it in rubles. So the US dollar is now being affected to becoming weaker. When the US dollar is going down, Bitcoin has been rising in deceleration from that. So that is something that you have to watch out for, even though everybody right now is screaming bullish and bullish. If the US dollar is starting to get affected, you will see a potential rise in the prices of cryptocurrency. So that's all noise. Now let's look at the cryptocurrency market itself and where the money is and what is my strategy and what is my biggest trade that I'm willing to make. All right, so I will show you guys where is the market cap chart quickly. Yeah, this is the chart of the total market cap of the cryptocurrency market. Okay, here, guys, we're standing at a massive risk. A massive, massive risk. We've been holding on to one leg. We're standing at a position here where it's not, you can't really call it a support level. The only real support level is starting from here, going all the way down to about 200 to 300 market cap levels. And you might say, oh, that's extreme. We cannot move away from 800 billion all the way down to 3 to 500 again. But I can tell you, maybe 300 billion is unrealistic. But I can tell you that 500 billion is damn realistic because it's just right here. 550, you can see we bounced off it 2 times before as we were dealing with the bull market. And this is where we actually struggled until the breakout actually happened. So we're looking at a 507 to 535 billion dollars in market cap, which is the support of Bitcoin, of cryptocurrency in general, if things go down. Now let's look at how much that is when it comes to the numbers. This is a 43% drawdown in market cap. However, this is not a Bitcoin market cap necessarily. It's a market cap for the entire market. If out of this 41 to 43%, it means that Bitcoin could take a hit of 20%, very likely, and then the 80% will be shared across the altcoin market. Just as if we go to the altcoin perpetual index, you can see that the drawdown for altcoins is always higher. Whenever Bitcoin is hit, the charts are always the same. They look the same, but obviously individual coins get affected a little bit more, especially the ones that are a little bit more inflated than others. So this is where we're standing with the altcoin index chart. And in my analysis, I can see it now touching this $1,725 level on FTX if you use this index, which is a little bit of just minus 5% from where we're standing right now. And we haven't been there for over a month now. We haven't really been on those levels over a month. But if I switch this over to the weekly, all right. So you remember, this week there is now the index from the central banks are coming about how inflated the economy is. And when those inflation numbers come out and things are not looking good, and you already know that everything is going to crash down, very, very likely. So here you can see that the market cap index of the total crypto market is actually in correlation with the altcoins themselves, which also is looking at the next resistance level, support level at 986, which is right here. Wait. Let's just do that with a ruler quick. So you're looking at something like this, another 47%. So you can start to see this correlation all over the place, that there is a 40% minus to be taken by the crypto market in general as a whole. And I don't think there is any denying in that at all. We have tested the levels of breakdown here before. It was just a matter of time, and now I think it's going to happen. And the biggest trade you can make is, I think, or at least what I'm going to do, is basically a 20% short. I'm not going to speculate on a total 46%, and I will also explain what is happening. So that is a big short on the downside if things happen to take a hit. Gold has also been a good indicator of the market, but as you can see, nothing much. It's actually boring, and it has bearish momentum here towards the MACD. Doesn't look really good, and it's playing almost no role in the current macroeconomic environment at the moment. Not so much happening. And lastly, before we now talk about the game and where the money is, because I also have a couple of trades for you guys that I will share and some altcoins. Here's the thing, guys. This is the road to disparity. Nobody knows what really will happen, essentially. But the truth is, as far as crypto goes, this is a perfect market environment for trading when it comes to whales who have a lot of money. It's a fight between longs and shorts fighting each other, and retail investors are only fish to be eaten in this kind of market. So if you don't have the best tools, if you don't have the best traders and algorithms, I would say do not go extreme, because you see the market just moving in high volatility on the upswing and downswing, simply because the whales are trying to take each other's out. There's just easy money, low hanging fruit, and they'll create a market environment that is more exciting for the low time retail investors, just so that they can take their money out. A good example of that I can show you right now: USTC happened, right? If you don't know what's going on, you're basically bred in this market. You're just getting eaten. So let's look at USTC, because some of you guys are asking me about it. I traded it, made a little bit of money on it, but obviously it's a one-way strategy. I've already discussed this, that this is now a pump and dump coin, everything to do with Luna. Basically, it's pump and dump, a tool that is used for the market to manipulate, to take money from other people. So why would anyone choose this coin to trade it? Or why are whales playing around with USTC and trading it? It's a stable coin that's dead. There's only one reason. There's a community behind it, that's number one. And number two, most importantly, is that even a professional trader like me can actually get this one wrong. Why? Because the traditional thinking is that, okay, whenever it goes up, I'm more inclined to go and open a big short position. And then for the traditional experienced investors, they also know that. So they understand the psychology of every trader. So let me explain to you what happened on this trade, because there have been a lot of liquidations due to this trade, as well as so many people were trying to short it. So there was the first movement. Let me find a better two. So this was a first, let's say a breakout was here. Wasn't really much. Okay, let's bring this up. Visibility. Okay, anyway. So this was the first movement, and it wasn't really that much. I don't know why my text is in black. What the hell? I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me just change it. Text. Okay. So that is it, guys. So this was the first movement, which was significant. And you can see that a lot of people went in and shorted this coin. They're like, USDC is pumping, let's go and short it. There are some shady markets that are still borrowing this coin, and a lot of people think that they can make money. So the first day, we had a 38% movement. And today, and the second day, we had another more than 30% movement. I mean, it went even as extreme, more than 50% almost. And then today is still in the green. So the right trade to make on this one is to short it, obviously. But if you shorted yesterday, you got liquidated. 2 days ago, you got liquidated by yesterday. And if you shorted it yesterday, you're still at a loss right now, because it hasn't moved one bit on the way side. So you'll see a lot of movements moving around like this too long. So the only way to trade when it comes to USDC or any coin that is manipulated is to catch a falling knife, right? It means you're gonna wait for the market for it to return and actually start falling at a rapid rate. It happened to Luna, you guys saw it as well. Let's switch to the hour, right? Even on the hour, it's pretty much looking good that it might not start falling anytime soon. There is a little bit of support here, volume coming in. So what you can do here is to wait it out for a trade like this. It starts crumbling, and then you can jump in, especially when it's just below the pumping candles, like here on the 11th of October. It was a massive candle. And obviously you can also turn on your indicators, Nitrous Bull, the EMA trading indicator, right? The EMA visualizer. You can see these are all still in green right now. They haven't changed one bit, but maybe we can change to 240 and see if there is any sort of change. And a little bit of change is happening, right? And look at how much of a beauty these indicators are, because they told you, like this one here, the EMA indicator went green on this day, on the 10th, which was yesterday. And the Nitrous Bull went on the 9th. It told you that USDC was set for a bullish candle. and it hasn't changed. But now we are seeing orange candles here. Orange means potential change of trends. So you can now start paying attention to this until you see the next signal. You can wait for one confirmation, and then you can jump in and you could make money on the way down, because there is a lot of money to be made simply from here all the way to the next support line. There's like a 27% at spot. With leverage, you can make a simple 100% on that one. So I'm looking at this trade. It's given, it will happen. The question is when this is going to happen. So, when will Bitcoin hit $15,000? We're going to look into that, because this video is actually about my biggest Bitcoin trade. It's going to be the last one before the market actually crumbles. All right, now let's talk about altcoins. Lastly, because a lot of you guys are excited about it. So I made a little bit of money on the altcoin game. Let me just find my notes quickly here. All right. So there are a couple of coins that are not really popular. They're still from the beginning, they're still at the early stages of the insurgence. And these are low cap coins, good for long term, but also they're really, really good when it comes to just making money, when it comes to like just quick trades. And I will share with you guys some of that stuff that I've been trading myself. So let me just open my notes here quick.
Also,
Okay, where is that now? Okay, just logging into my notes account, guys. One moment. Yeah, so I mean, one coin that I've been paying attention to has been USDX. Not USDX, sorry. I'm talking about Stacks. This is something that a lot of you guys have to pay attention to. Stacks USDT, really good low cap coin. Obviously, it's also down really bad at the moment, but this is a good coin to capture. You can start grappling and buying all these dips, and when it recovers, there's a good potential 50% to be made on here. And another one is, I don't know why my thing cannot log in here. I forgot my own password, man. What's going on? So, the reality is that I've been paying attention to layer ones. They're the ones that seem to have a lot of potential when it comes to pumping money in. So for me, I think, okay, I'm finally in. 1 second. Okay, here we go. So there are a couple of layer ones, because right now it seems like most people at least think that the layer twos are taking over, right? Because like we have Polygon, we have Optimism, and a lot of people think that there is no any other coins other than that. But if you pay attention to what really is going on in other ecosystems, you will be able to see that there is a lot of money that is going on other layer ones projects, guys. Sorry, I'm trying to put my 2FA, and it's still problematic. Give me a second. Let me do this properly. Okay. Wow. Okay, okay. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, so the first one that I have here in my notes, finally found them, is Kadena, right? Kadena. I'm sure you guys can find it. It's KDA. So you probably already know it. Good project, layer one, really incredible, completely oversold. But if you look at the fundamentals, and I did a lot of research on this project from the founding team, really impressive stuff. And I ended up buying a bunch of these coins. I mean, of this coin, and it's one of the coins that I've started now accumulating. And this is I'm making it public so that you guys know. But I was looking at the chart. You can look at how extremely sold out this coin is. It's now at the first fundamental leg of support at the moment, which is $1.3. And I do think that this is a really good play at the moment, that you can start accumulating it. Not financial advice, of course, but KDA, I think it's a good project. You guys can look it up yourself, or just to show you on CoinGecko. It's something that I think most people should be holding at the moment. Okay. Let's get to it. KDA. Kadena, KDA. This is the one. So these are all layer ones. I mean, I'm done currently investing in layer twos. And I think I said on the last call that the number one thing that you actually want to pay attention to right now, or what will change the game in crypto, is going to be layer ones. And for me, currently, I am buying this Kadena in other layer ones. Another one that I've seen is Deso, right? Decentralized Social, another project that I think is an incredible play. You guys can check it out. In the last 30 days, it has gone up 242%. In the last 40 days, 187%. And I traded this altcoin. It's low cap, current price $19. And you look at the max supply of only 10 million coins. And I do think, and with a max supply of 10 million, circulating supply 10 million already. And it's a really promising project, incredible team, and it's pumping heavy during the bull market. So I would say it's already a little bit on the high side right now, so you might want to wait it out. Right now, it's probably not the best time for you to be buying it. So you have to be extremely careful. Another one is, okay, let me pull up another spreadsheet of the ones that I haven't traded. So we got Aleph Zero. It's another project that I think will go a long way. Incredible, just under $1 at the moment. Completely, the market cap is low and the price also is extremely low. It's 70% down from its all-time high. And this project, guys, it's basically it's very new, 2022 project. And I think it's one of those projects that are going to do well in the next cycle after my intensive level of research. But this live stream is not really about so much about the research that I did. It's more about what's going on right now in the, or at least what trade am I going to make on Bitcoin. So I'll share with you guys one more altcoin. Destroy the like button, by the way. Okay, this one I shared it in the source. So make sure you guys go in there and check out some of the coins that I like to share when it comes to altcoins. Okay. Last token. So this is Open Squeeze, kind of a synthetic ETH. Really good project. You guys can check it out as well. Open.co is their website. 24-hour trading volume is extremely low, 1.6 million. Currently, at a fully diluted valuation is 398,000. The market cap isn't even showing. This is an early, super, super early project. You guys are lucky to learn about this right now, but this is basically the platform. Open is building a DeFi native derivatives and options infrastructure is DeFi. You can trade using their platform without being liquidated on chain. You can go long or short. It's much more of a complicated project when it comes to like trading on chain, but it's one of the most impressive DeFi trading platforms that I have seen so far myself. And I've gone into putting a little bit of my own money into this one, and not financial advice, but I do think this is going to be a full send in the next moment. So make sure you check it out, guys. All right. So lastly, what is the play with Bitcoin? What exactly am I doing? What trade am I actually talking about before things starts to explode, guys? All right. Yes, Tofa here says, yo, epic short setup for USTC. Let's make money on USTC. If you're with me on this one, destroy the like button. I think the time for shorting USTC is right now. So that's the first trade that I'm super excited about, but obviously you have to be careful. Make sure that your liquidation price is twice the current price of USTC. That's all I can tell you guys, right? But if your liquidation price is like 10% up, you're more likely going to get decimated. So you have to be extremely ready for shorting USTC. Here is where you can find USTC on all these exchanges: Binance, KuCoin, and so on and so forth. Storte says, hello, I'm new at trading and I want to do it. I can give all my time. I can focus all day to do it. I'm into it. How should I start? Where should I start? Can you guide me, please? Yeah, for sure. We can definitely do something exciting about that. Number one is, obviously, you have to start with learning the crypto market. You have to start with learning how trading works and how derivative works, because a lot of people only know how to trade spot, and spot requires a lot of research. If you want to trade anything, you have to learn also how derivatives are done. I can recommend that you go to cryptouniversity.network and grab my course and start learning from it. Where can I short it though? So Topher is asking about where can he short USTC. Basically, you have FTX. You can see it here. It's available on FTX. Link to FTX is down in the description below. You can use my link, get.io. You can also do that. Link is in the description below. And you can also borrow it. You just have to find any, I think Binance has, let me just double check. I think USTC is available on margin trading. Yeah, so, or you can do it on margin trading as well. There is a lot of money to be made on that one. It's an exciting opportunity, I think, but you definitely have to be extremely careful. Make sure your liquidation price is double and you set up your stop losses to avoid any catastrophe. And you also have to be open-minded with the USTC trade that there is potential that it would actually keep on pumping because it's a manipulated coin and everybody knows that a lot of people are shorting it. So it's not as easy as just putting your money on the table. Now, with Bitcoin, this is what I've decided to do, right? So I'm buying Bitcoin at the current prices, and this week, it's more likely going to go down after the news happens because of manipulation and fear. We saw it happen 2 weeks, or was it 3 weeks ago already? So the only way to do it, I think, is because everyone else is bearish at the moment, is to just buy the fear. And you're more likely going to see a rally going on the upside from 20 again to 22 to 23,000, and then you can sell it. After that rally has happened, it will basically liquidate a lot of shorts, and then Bitcoin will start crashing down. So I do not think that right now is the time to throw away your gloves and say that, okay, it's over for Bitcoin, it's going down. Right now, it is the best time to actually start buying Bitcoin. What you could do is to just put buying orders all the way under what you can do is this. Greetings, investors, and greetings to the traders. For sure, what's going on, everybody? This is the live stream. I haven't been doing this for a long time simply because I was busy with research, and I do think that there is potential to make money in the market, even though everybody is unhappy about it. So this is what people are talking about. This yellow line here, when they say Bitcoin is going to 15K, they're looking at this trend here, right? Because it's a long downward trend. Undeniable, it's more likely to hit that. But I do think before we get to that, it's not gonna be with one candlestick going on the way down. There is a lot of money. If you look at the depth charts in crypto, you will be able to see that there is a lot of money standing around this range, this area, right? Just here alone, there's a lot of money standing here. So what you want to do is to basically destroy the like button, of course, and buy the Bitcoin when it's going on the way down. And whenever we see a sharp swing again, just like what happened here, right? What happened here, everybody was saying, oh, Bitcoin is now done. We're gonna go to 15, 16K. Look what happened. A sharp dive on the way up to $22,400. And then we went all the way down, and then here we stand. I think this same pattern is going to repeat itself until we close down on the downside. So hold on, I just have a guess. All right, guys. So you will see this happening, and my plan is definitely to just buy into the fear. I'll buy, and then whenever I see another big swing, which is more likely to happen, around this resistance level, it will repeat itself, and then I'll sell, and then I will sit down and wait what happens. And that is the biggest trade for Bitcoin you can make, and obviously with all the other shorts. It's been a long time, guys. It's been a long time. So I'm back in the market, but I will tell you guys the truth. I am now more focused on research and altcoins. And the next live stream is going to be about altcoins and research and 100x moves. Because the coins that a lot of people are holding right now aren't really going to be the same coins that will make you 100x when the market has returned. It's going to be new stuff. So instead of going on Twitter, looking for sentiment about your coin that you're already holding, I think the smartest thing you can do right now, spend most of your time doing research. That's it. Research, find new projects. Layer ones are still the most bullish sentiment you can ever find right now, or at least the subgroup of tokens that are more likely going to do well in the long run. So, make sure you take your time to research and find whatever you find. Share with me. I will be posting everything that I'm find in the Discord channel, and I hope you guys can also interact in Discord. So our Discord engagement is low because you guys are giving up because crypto is in the downturn. I want you to join my Discord server because I'm now doing research every day. I will be sharing a lot of new projects that nobody knows about, right? And you'll find them in the source. Make sure you join the Discord group. The link is down in the description. And when you enter the group, there is what we call the general chat. We chat all the time. And then there is also the source and NFT groups and all that. And with NFTs, I've made some new purchases. I will make another specific NFT live stream. Right now is a big opportunity to afford NFTs that you guys could not afford, even some new ones. So make sure you pay attention to that. Yo, my man T Black says, yo, hardcore, what's up? This is your man Black Page. Black Page, long time, bro. Like, Black Page was watching my videos back in like 2017, 2016, bro. Like, how are you, bro? Long time. It's been real, right? I know, it's been so real. It's unbelievable. I'm sure you're rich, you're a millionaire right now, by now, you know, because it's been a long time, since 2016. I'm sure you're still holding your crypto. I'm sure crypto changed your life. When I was doing those videos, I used to be in South Africa, if you remember correctly. Currently, I'm based in Dubai now. That's where I'm recording this video from. Tell me about you, man. Crypto never dies for real. Sia says, hey, great, thanks for giving us updates. Let's destroy the like button. Yes, guys, destroy the like button, man. Destroy the like button. Yes. Yeah, I like that gun sound effect, man. It's so much fun. So if you think that I'm not posting enough here, guys, I've been going live every day on my Great BTC personal vlog channel. So make sure you check that out as well, because there's a lot of juicy stuff going. So, you know, when it comes to Ethereum, also it's another one. Ethereum is gonna go to $1,000. That's given. And I have personally, I'm going to admit this, I have taken a short position down to $1,000 on Ethereum. Not financial advice. Not financial advice, but I do think it's a very likely situation as long as you have a very good stop loss, maybe at 1,500 or so. You can do it on Bybit. I do use Bybit to trade. Link is down in the description. Sign up, make a deposit, and put your trade on. If you have never taken, usually when I give you guys a long-term trade that might take 2 weeks or 3 weeks or a month to play out, it works. And some of you have never done it. You open a trade right now, and you are looking at closing it tomorrow already. If you took that trade with me on EOS, you doubled your money, right? But it needed a lot of patience because there were still some swings up and downs in the market, and sometimes trades take a little bit of time. So let's look at Ethereum, and I can show you the trade that I have made on Ethereum. And obviously, you can close a trade at any time if you're happy with the profits. But this is what I've essentially done. Right now, man, I'm changing my shift from all these altcoins. I'm now focused on 100x coins. So if you're into the 100x coin focus group, make sure you join in, and we can do this together. So this is my trade on Ethereum, guys. We're standing somewhere here, and this is my bet to 1,000, somewhere around here. Simply because the market is extremely bearish, right? So that is a 22% drop on Ethereum, which can be absorbed. If you take like a 3x position or 3 to 5x, you know, that's pretty much can be a simple 100% on your money. But again, it would take a little bit of time. But we are already at $1,200. And at the beginning of the last stream, I showed you that the drawdown is more likely going to be 40% minus the current market cap of crypto. That's what I'm projecting on. So on 40%, I don't want to be super degenerate and say I'll wait out the entire 40% to go down. I'm just using the 20%, halfway of it, because, you know, markets are extremely volatile. You never know. But again, these are trades that take some time to play out. But mark this video. You remember Ethereum at 1,000, and this trade will close, and I'll show you the profits in the group. Ding! Thank you guys for joining me on this live stream. Sia says, hey, here since 2021, already sitting at $30,000. Yes! I love to see my community winning, guys. You guys are superheroes. We all gonna make it at the end of the day. Do not get discouraged by the market conditions. You know, watch the live stream every day. Keep on researching, and on and on and on and on. Ed Castillo says Casper Network 100x. We'll talk about Casper on the next live stream, okay? Because I will talk about the altcoin game on that one. 7 years later, we'll be sitting on $1 billion for sure. Yeah, man, this is crypto, bro. Anything is possible in this market. You're already $30,000 up already. Congratulations. Just keep up. Just keep up the momentum. Don't give up. Don't trade with the entire 30,000. Invest some of it, like I told you on yesterday's live stream. That's pretty much it. Luke says, when is the best time frame to trade? Is it 1 hour or 4 hour? It depends on what you're trading. If you're doing day trading, is 5 minutes to 1 hour. If you want to do like weekly trades, I think 4 hours to daily is good. If you want to trade like days or in a month, then just use daily, right? If you want to trade super long term, months. And the longer the time frame you're trading, the higher the probability of you making winning trades. How much do I trade with? A couple of $100,000. I trade from anything from 80,000 and above, right? When it comes to like swing trades, that is. If it's derivatives, I can trade with $5,000 minimum, because with 5K at a good leverage, with $5,000, I can make a simple $1,000 a day. So it just depends. Okay, and if you want to learn how to trade, if you're not into the trading community yet, join Crypto University, cryptouniversity.network. Grab the masterclass. I will teach you everything you need to know, step by step. Okay. Wag me, definitely. We all gonna make it. Yo, Stacy Friedman, all the way from California. How are you? Long time. Bongs from SA, what's going on? All right, guys. So thank you for watching. I gotta go. I'm just glad that we managed to cover some trading, give you guys an update on what's going on in the market. I recommend though you go ahead and go to Great BTC. It's my new YouTube channel. It's all about vlogging and philosophy and life, nothing to do about crypto. I'm now going a lot live on that one, so go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you guys over there. All right. Peace, guys. Let's end it with some music, guys, as usual. Well, as the new usual now, right? We have some good music playing. Destroy the like button, guys, and goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. So happy to hear that Sia feels liberated from the system. Man, thank you for watching my videos. That's all it takes. It's a mental game, man. Right? How do you feel about liberating yourself from the system, man? It feels so free, bro. It's like everything makes sense from that point. To understand that the world is all about money. And as long as you can stack as much money as possible, if you stay away from the system and put all your money in crypto and you pay attention to the financial markets, you will be fine. And you're going to check out of the system completely. And that is the goal of this channel, is to orange peel everybody, to orange peel the world, guys. All right. So I do recommend everybody, if you're not taking cryptocurrency seriously, this is your opportunity, the key to financial freedom. It happens. And it will happen as long as you stay around. All right. Click the bell button so that if I go live next time, you will be the first one to know. It helps. And by the way, let's wish Sia congratulations. The man just said that he quit his job already, right? Because when I tell people about, oh, you will quit your job with crypto, a lot of them feel like, oh, how long does it take to quit your job? That's not even the question, bro. You just have to start doing it. Sia, how long did it take you for you to quit your job and just be becoming full on crypto? Can you share with the audience, please? Wanda says, I just bought the Natros Bull. What time frame is advisable? My favorite time frame is 1 day. If I go lower, I go 4 hours. 4 hours works as well, pretty effectively, right? So 4 hours. If you want to do intra trading, you can, but it's much better for swing because it's less stress. You just put your alerts on and you relax. Man, everybody must quit their job, guys. This must be the time that you make the smartest investments and quit your job because of crypto. And I will help you, Sia, to literally multiply that 30K into hundreds and millions of dollars based on the investments that we're gonna make. This before the bull market, the research that I'm doing and finding really some juicy stuff, I'm gonna put it out there, share with everybody. As long as we execute, we all gonna win. We're going to win, guys. Who else quit their job here, guys? I want to hear more. Who else quit their job for crypto? I remember when I did that for myself, it was the most liberating moment of my life because I had traded for some time, but I thought it was a fluke. Maybe I'm just lucky. Can I really make money doing this trading stuff when I quit my job? And then now, so Sia says he started watching my videos in April 2021, and now he quit his job already. Shout out to you, my man. I really appreciate it. I would appreciate it if you can make a video about a testimonial for Crypto University and how it has helped you and how my videos has helped you. That would be fantastic, bro. I would appreciate it. Where can you get the Natros Bull? You can get it at Crypto University, cryptouniversity.network. We have the Natros Bull, but also other indicators that are like top tier. You can use them in your trading. If you use October, you get 20% discount on everything on Crypto University right now. If you do it right now after the live stream, you'll find it. You go to indicators, you find all of them here. You use October. October is the discount code you should use to get discount. All right. 86 says, "Hey man, I hope you remember me. I'm watching you now. Can you remind me? Maybe your name has changed, or maybe you should come to YouTube." Luke says, "I wish to quit, but I'm not yet versed in crypto." Well, look, man, you will quit. Trust me. You'll reach at a point where you're like, look, man, I'm getting X amount at work and I'm making this money on one trade. It doesn't make sense. And you do it multiple times and you just reach at a point like, look, screw it. I'm going to take a risk. I'm just going to be trading. And then you realize that it becomes normal. Like right now, to me, job doesn't make sense at all. Like there's no point in my life where I can ever think that, I now have to go get a job. Like, no way, bro. Orange peel, baby, the orange peel crew. That's all it's all about. King Sia says, if it wasn't for NFTs, I think I would be far with my portfolio. Yeah, man, NFTs are risky, and I did warn so many people about it. That's why I didn't do a lot of NFT content on this channel, because if you are in the top groups of crypto, right, the whale groups and stuff like that, which I am, you kind of know the people behind some of this stuff and the game that people play in this space. You have to be extremely careful. Koi says, "Hey Gray, I'm getting good guide from Trading Mastery of Crypto University and applying that knowledge. I'm learning the trading with smaller amount at Bybit and learning from my mistakes." Congratulations, sir. That's what it's all about, man. That's all. It's practice. It takes, for you to learn how to trade practically, takes you 1 week. There's nothing complicated to it. The hardest part about trading is mastering yourself. Basically, when you're trading, you learn about you and how you react to stress and excitement. The moment you find how to deal with those two emotions, you become a good trader. Kali, the artist, says, "Hey, hello, King. Yo, what's good, Anna? Long time." Well, not long time. I had a good conversation with Anna on my vlog channel. You guys can go and watch that video. It's on Great BTC's channel. It was a really good conversation about money. Basically, this girl, she's telling me that I should quit just sitting here on my desk all the time, and I should go become a dancer or something. So I was telling her that, look, if I do that, you're gonna block me because it doesn't make money to do that. All right. Yo, Danny, my man Danny says happy Red Day for sure. Red days are for pump days as well. You know, you make money if you buy on the red days anyway. And I gave you guys strategies on this live stream. Make sure you go back and watch them. Well, Lisa says I have 1,800 worth of bitcoins. I'm not selling. I'm not selling. I am not selling, guys. We are not selling. Have you seen that meme? Let's find it. Let's find that meme. It's my favorite meme. I'm not fucking selling. I'm not freaking selling. I think I should make this one my profile picture right now. Kali says, love you. You look very sexy today. Well, come and get me. Come and get me. You know where to find me. I'm not selling, guys. We're not selling. That's what it's all about. We're going to stay here. We're going to stay here until we all become millionaires because it will happen. It will happen. It's just a matter of time. All right. As long as you avoid all the nonsense coins, we're all gonna win. Topher says you can be a rapper on the side until that blows up. That's true. Maybe it's time to make music. Actually, Dean, if you're watching, you told me that you've been in Dubai at the end of September, and you're still not here. I mean, in October. So maybe it's time you pull up and we make this music and we get some rap money before the market becomes bullish again. We just rap and then right now it's just rap until the markets are, or rap and research. But look, NFTs are, to be honest, I'm trading NFTs right now and I'm making more money on trading NFTs than trading crypto, which I think I'll make another live stream this week and share with you guys how that's working and how I'm managing to do it. But it's another strategy that some of you can also use. All right. Peace, guys. I've been here for a long time. Thank you, everybody, for watching. And remember to destroy the like button, be on the stream. Remember to trade. Remember to maintain and control your emotions. Take care of your mental health. Because if you mess that up, you just don't make money. You become a horrible person. And money and negativity don't go hand in hand. The negative energy, push it away because it basically gets the bag away. The negativity and the bag doesn't work. Let's keep it positive. I'll see you on Twitter. I'll see you on Great BTC channel. And peace.